Okay, today we are opening Amazon Box F. Let's take a look at the first car. Batman, a tuned Batman from the classic series Batmobile. Batman series, 1 out of 5, number 1 out of 5. Nice looking rig. Nice looking rig. Let's flip the lights off. See if it's any better. A little bit better, yeah. And skew on that bad boy is going to be HKJ 72. HKJ 72. Set that aside. All right, next car. LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. I think that's S15. So Liberty Walk. Nice looking Silvia. And it's going to be from the Hot Wheel Modified series. It's number 1 out of 5 out of that series. I like the gold coloring. I reviewed a gold Ferrari F40 a few days back. And the gold for Hot Wheels is really nice. Really, really nice. It's number 17 out of 250 for the year. And the SKU is going to be HKK 47. Okay. Good car. Let's do another one. All right. It is a 2017 Camaro ZL1. That's nice. I like that. And it is the Muscle Mania series, and it is number 5 out of 10. Let's take a look at that. Not bad, not bad at all. It is number 155, or is that 35? 135 out of 250 for the year, and the SKU is going to be HKJ 52. HKJ 52. Next up, oh, got a little green job here. Honda Civic 1973 Custom. Yeah, this is a nice little model. I like that. Oh yeah, Honda. There you go. Very sweet. Oh, I like the blue fog lamps on this thing. This is a nice model. And it is the Hot Wheels J Import Series, number 8 out of 10. And for the year, it is number 117 out of 250. And they knocked it out of the park on this little bad boy. I mean, way out of the park. I'm going to have to review this one pretty soon. HKG 40 is the SKU on it. Oh, look. An LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. S15. Okay, here's another problem with buying boxes from Hot Wheels. You can get duplicates. You can't tell me they can't arrange a machine at the factory to drop them in these boxes for Amazon in a manner that doesn't do duplicates. You just can't tell me they can't do that. They won't do that. So, very irritating. I like the car. It's a beautiful little car, but it's very irritating. Next up, 2019 Bentley Continental GT3. Yeah, baby. Now that's a car. Oh, wow. I like that. I like that a lot. I like the color scheme. I wouldn't mind having a car in that color scheme myself. It's from the Hot Wheel Modified series. Does anybody actually modify a Bentley that much? I guess they do. Okay. It's from this Modified series. It's number 3 out of 5. For the year, it's 44 out of 250, and the SKU is HKL 45. And look at that big wing on that thing. Wow, that thing's really modified. Is that a racing car? Probably for racing. Okay. Oh, look! A 2017 Camaro ZL1. Okay. You see what I think about that. Next up, 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. Oh, now this is a sweet looking car. Look at the colors on this car. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And oh wow, they did the rear end as well. Actually painted the tail lights. Wow. Wow. For a mainline series, this is a nice ride. Okay, Hot Wheel Roadsters is the series, number 2 out of 10. It is number 13 out of 250 for the year, and the SKU is HKK08. Yeah, I'll be reviewing this one. Wow, I like that car. We're halfway there, folks. Halfway there. There's something different for you. 70s van from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Wow. Check that out. I really like art cars. Not quite so sure about this one. Got Mattel. Got Hot Wheels in the lettering there. Got cars. You know, I guess it probably means Hot Wheels cars, the lower line. Got really cool mag wheels on this thing. Looks like it might have a sunroof or a moonroof. Got a moonroof. Oh, it's got a bumper on it. Wow, it's got an actual bumper. And got a nice chrome grille up front. Nicely done, Hot Wheels. That's, once again, Hot Wheels Art Cars. It's number 2 out of 10. For the year, it's 16 out of 250. And the SKU is HKK 16. Next up, Nissan Patrol Custom. Nissan Patrol Custom. Now, I've got this in the white color. So, it's basically the same model, but in blue. To me, I think I like the blue better than I do the white. The blue's really sharp. They put really good Be Like off-road tires on this thing, and that's a sweet touch. The grille is good on this car. The big air intakes, was that a supercharger or is that a turbo on this car? I think it's a turbo. I think I read this actual car produced about 2,000 horsepower. So it's in the Hot Wheels J Import series. It is 1 out of 10 in that series. For the year is number 20 out of 250. And let's grab you to SKU real quick. HKK 61. Nice little rig. We'll probably review that one as well. Compare it to the white one that I got. Maybe we'll do a white versus blue on that. Oh look, we've got a Nissan Patrol Custom. Next, 1972 Stingray convertible. Wow. Okay. This may be one of my favorite Hot Wheels that I've ever gotten. This is sweet. I love this. Oh, they did the rear. I'm happy. Look at that. Hot Wheel Roadster series. 8 out of 10. They did it with the lights flipped up. Interesting. And it is 132 out of 250 for the year. Yep. And the SKU is HKG 60. Wow. That was a little hidden gem. I like that one. All right, what's up next? DeMachini Veloce. That's a nice little car. It is a retro racer. I like that. Is that something out of Japan? That looks like a 87 Celica or something, okay? To me, or maybe more like an 85 Celica. 85 Celica beefed up for racing by some team. They didn't want to use Toyota's name. I'm just making things up. I have no idea what this thing is, but it's a nice model. It's got a lot of good tempo. Got a nice model rear end. Take a look at the front. Front's got fog lamps. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. Got a big hood scoop on the front. Nice model. Oh, got stripes on the top. Yeah, Retro Racers, number 2 out of 10, and it is number 5 out of 250 for the year, and the SKU is HKJ78. All right, let's go. Next up, Roadster Bite. Roadster Bite. Not sure what that even means. Roadster Bite, but it is Hot Wheel Roadsters. It is number 1 out of 10, 12 out of 250 for the year. Look at that. It's a nice car. Something tells me that on the track, this thing might be pretty quick. It's got a little heft to it. Got some big wheels on it. I like those big, what are those, 23s? Yeah. Very nice. What's the SKU on this? HKK07. All right, we got 2 cars to go, folks. 2 cars. Got a wild one right here. Track Manga. Track Manga. What in the heck is this? Wow. Is that an art car? Yep. That's from the art car series. And, okay, this is a wild car. I'll probably have to review this one as well. Look at that interior. Orange seats. Look at the hood on this car. What is that, a big air intake in orange? What is that? Interesting car. I like it nevertheless. It's got kind of a, what is that, a foresty scene on it? It's like, yeah. Okay. Got the green windshield. Yeah, boy. Okay. The oddness even extends to underneath the car. Yeah. Number 1 out of 10 out of the art cars, and it is 15 out of 250 for the year. And the SKU is HKK 14. HKK 14. Wow. Last car. Looks like a good one. Oh yeah, saved the best for last. Ford Escort RS 2000. Yeah. Look at that. You know, maybe this wasn't the best. I think that Corvette was the best. I'm going to take back best of the lot. This is in the Retro Racers. Yeah, look at that. I love that front end on this car. That's really neat. Well, I might have one of those in real life. Retro Racers, number 1 out of 10. Number 4 out of 250 for the year. This is a sweet little model. Look at the big tires, those 5 spokes on the rear, and yeah, I like it a lot. Now, once again, what's up with the no number on the door? Got a circle, but no number. Would they run out of number decals? Come on, Hot Wheels. Step up to the plate. Yeah. SKU on this car? HKJ77. So there you have it. Box F, if I'm correct. And in this box, let's see, I got double Camaros, double Silvias, and double Nissan Patrols. So effectively, I found for a box of 16, I wound up with 13 unique cars out of that box. That's a shame. They could do better than that. But you get what you get, and it saves you time from going down to the grocery store and trying to find models and waiting the parking lot in Walmart. So I guess you take your good with your bad. And that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed.